Good. Good. Keep the punch. Good. A bit better. Good. Good. Let's get one out. There you go. Take your time. Take your time. Nope, stop. Good. Good for you. Open that inside brain a little. Open it towards me. Good. 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 Keep it open and then pick it up from there. Good. Good. Hit him. That was good. See the difference between restricting him and giving him a point of resistance towards chewing him? I want you to go there and go everything going with it. And trot. Watch your hands. Good. And walk. Watch your hands. Keep your hands forward and ask them to walk. There you go. So see?